our 2014 Subaru Impreza. We're going to change out the cabin filter today. So first, let's start by opening that glove box door. Got our retaining tab on the right hand side here. Just pull out until it unsnaps. And on the right and the left hand side, you can see this tab back here. You're going to have to push in until it unsnaps from the dash frame. Same over here. Pull out. And the glove box will release down. And right here is the cabin filter. So you're just going to squeeze these tabs to release it from the HVAC housing. Squeeze and then pull. And there is our cabin filter. It was ready to be changed. So there's only one orientation for these, and you'll see right here on the new housing it says up with the arrow. You can only put this in one way. So honestly, if you throw it in upside down, it's just not going to go in. So push until you hear a click, left and right hand side, all set there. And then the hinges down here, you're just going to line up with these tabs. Get those in and just push the glove box up. It'll re-snap on the frame. Reattach your clip on the right hand side. And that's it.